Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make cinematic videos on Filmora 12. So let's go for it. So first we have some clips here that allows us to make the cinematic vibe. So as you can see, these clips are auto corrected, like color corrected, and it's already like color graded, so these things are looking good. So the videos are cool. First you have to choose a background music from the audio panel and just drag and drop. After that you have to like give this kind of cinema 2:9 thing, like go to effect and search for cinematic, and then it will appear in here, I guess. So okay, this thing, just drag and drop it, so it will make more vibey to your video, like it's a cinematic video. So first just drag and drop your music and then your footages, and then just drag and drop this 2:9 thing here, and then I'm just giving a little thing called milled to make it more like realistic. So in here what have I just did is I just add a keyframe here in the first, like give some rotation here. I have just gave some rotation and then zoomed a little bit the position and scaled up. After coming in this keyframe, I just restored all the things that I had here, so it kind of looks like this when it starts. So let's see, if I just bring it more close, it will do it more faster. Okay, just render it. Okay, let's see. At first you have to like select your music, and then you have to like use aim on your keyboard or this marker tool just to click on those beats and make it more like to cut those clip off. So use aim on your keyboard to sync with the beat. After using aim, you have a marker on here, then just drag your clip and give a cut on here to like sync with those chords that are playing on the background. So let's see, we have the syncing on now. As you can see, when the chord hits here, your video footage want to be changed, or it should be changed instantly. So it's like it looks more good when you just sync the beat with the video. So basically cinematic video depends on the story, so you can add some SFX, some good things to make it more realistic, like as you can see. So in this phrase I'm just adding beats, adding marks, syncing with those snaps going on in the audio, as you can see. So it totally depends on the story, how you want the story be, like what kind of story do you have. Then you can just add some cinematic text, like go here. And so in here what kind of text I am having here. So at the first, I'm coming to the first part. Let's think that I'm just building a story based on the thing that's written on here. So for cinematic things I'm gonna take so as you can see, I just have searched for a black image, fully blanked image, and I'm just dragging and dropping it. So now let's just cut it like the ratio we have in our video. So not like this. Okay, let's choose 9:16. Okay, that's cool. So now we have to keyframe it. Like nothing, to add a keyframe and then just do things like this. After here, add another keyframe, and okay, so let's make it in here, and then remove all the blacks. Let's see what we have did in here. Okay, as you can see, it's looking more good than before. Okay, let's make it more longer. When the thing's just fading out, I want the stakes to also fade out. So for that, I'm going to, where's the thing named opacity? So as you can see, I have the text thing. Go to video, and then in opacity I'm just adding another keyframe matched on the black. Okay, so in here I'm just like fading this thing also out with the black. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have that. Just rotated the video in first in here, so you can add some SFX on here. Let me show you first. Okay, as I've just told you that you can use some SFX in here, like swoosh sound. Okay, as you can see, I have some sound effects on here. This is more like deep. So I like this one, so I'm just applying the effects in here. Let's see. So you have just saw that how SFX works in cinematic videos. So it plays a big role on videos that you want to be cinematic. So let's add more thing to make it look more good. So when the text is popping up, we can add another effect. No, okay, this looks good. So you can add this kind of effect in here when the text is popping up. Nope, in here. Okay, this looks cool. When it's like fading out, you can add another swoosh effect. Not this, not this. Okay, this looks cool. Oops. Okay, when the thing just fading out. Okay, as you can see, we are getting something into the vibe. Okay, okay, here we have another scene. In just here we are going to give another cut. Okay, so when the beat starts, you have to build your own story. So at first you have to give things that's making sense based on your story, and then when the beat starts, you have to show the real story of the video. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked our video. So that was how you can make cinematic videos on Filmora 12. So always remember that things will get more difficult or more complicated when you have your own story. You have to design it on your own way. And I hope you liked, yeah, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.